Oh my goodness. Look, 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 there's a cart and it's got snowed. Alright, family, so we just got stopped. I don't know if you could hear them, but they're doing avalanche controls.
This car's not moving.
Yes.
What?
The car's not moving.
Yes.
I think we got stuck.
No way, Alex. Remember how I told you in the last video that we were supposed to be having a big storm? We have not had just one storm. How many little storms have we had, Ashton?
Not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5.
What? 5? Let's think about it. It was snowing Christmas Eve. It snowed on Christmas. And today. I think that's 3 storms, Ashton, not 5.
Yeah, but some of them were like a flicker.
Yeah, some of them were like snowing throughout the day, but like 3 big dumps of snow, and we're talking like inches. Like, can you see outside? Where Ashton is, there's like a lot of snow. And this is where a lot of people drive. So in some areas where there's not a lot of people driving, the snow is so high. Like I even showed you guys like where my car's parked, how much snow is on my car. And it's probably like what, 4 or 5 inches?
Probably 5.
Yeah, and that's after cleaning off my car from the first 2 dumps of snow. So look at all that snow. Hi, Mama.
Welcome back to our channel, Lito and Maddox family. Today we're going to go to a snowy mountain to go sledding.
It's a bit crazy, and I just have to say, Ashton, thank you for letting me wear your beanie because I couldn't find my beanie. And look at the guy, she already fell asleep. She was walking in the snow earlier.
Yeah, she was. She almost got snow in her boots.
The boots that you got her.
Yep.
Ashton, tell them what happened with the igloo that you made.
So I was building an igloo. I went right into it, and the whole thing just plops down right on top of me.
It fell right on Ashton's head.
And I was stuck there forever and ever. Somehow I got out.
Bruh.
All right, family, so we're gonna go sledding. We have our sleds, and we're gonna just enjoy the snow and bring you guys along with us, so stay tuned. So we are almost at the sledding place. Are you excited, Ashton? Where are you at? I can't see you.
Try to get some rest before we get there.
I know, and Sky has been sleeping the whole time. She is just, she did some walking earlier in the snow. Oh my gosh, you guys should see this. Look at this, look at how high the snow is to the wall. So crazy. There's like a lot of snow here. Oh my gosh, that person just slipped. Be careful, Alex. Yeah, be really, really careful. There's still a lot of snow on the ground, and there's a car in front of us that just slipped. Oh my goodness. Look, 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 there's a cart and it's got snowed in. I don't even know if you can tell, but there's snow covering the whole car. They got a lot of snow up here. There's a car that got stuck here. Oh my gosh, look at me. That car got stuck. It's like ice. You can't even see the mountains up there. Has there been avalanches already?
So we've been trying to do avalanche control, so we're creating them and then trying to clear them out just so that they're not coming over the roadway unexpected.
And there's 8 feet up there?
Yep.
How you guys do the avalanche control?
So they'll sit up there and they'll shoot cannons into the side of the mountain to get the boom to knock everything loose.
Oh,
It's kind of cool.
yeah, that sounds
Seeing
cool.
All
They
right.
just do little explosions on the side of the hill and it knocks everything loose so it all falls down.
Wow, that sounds cool.
Yeah.
All right.
All right,
Well,
thank
you
you.
guys.
Thank
Be
you guys.
careful.
Have a good day.
All right, family, so we just got stopped. I don't know if you could hear them, but they're doing avalanche controls. They're actually he explained it already. I got them. He didn't want to be seen on camera or anything, but he said, yeah, they're doing avalanche controls and that they have like more than 8 feet of snow. Like, look at this pile that's right next to me. It is so high. The stop sign's barely there. So unfortunately that side of the road is closed and we won't be able to go there. So we have to find a new place to go sledding. But that's crazy. I think that's the first time that, you know, they closed for us, like they closed it and then they're doing avalanche controls. Like,
it's because it snows so much, they had to do it.
Yeah.
They had to do the avalanche control.
Yeah, we're gonna find a new spot around here. But the roads are very slick, so we gotta be careful where we go. Alright, family, so I just opened the door and let's just say, like, down there is supposed to be the road, but the snow is like literally up to the car. It's up to the car. I don't know if there's really much of a place to. Oh my gosh, family. Like, look at the snow compared to my husband's truck. There's a lot of trees and bushes here. I don't know if you want to go here. Okay, Ashton is in the middle of digging a, what are you digging, Ashton? An igloo? This pile of snow is so big. You want to try to get the sled out?
Bruh.
Okay, Ashton, we'll come back to you when the igloo is done. Hi, Sky. You see Ashton? He's building an igloo. You see Ashton? Where's Ashton? Come on, Mama.
I'm watching that's frozen.
You look frozen.
LOL!
Alright, family, so we're gonna just check out this deep igloo. Why don't you crawl inside of there, see if you can fit?
I don't think I can fit.
Almost, you can almost fit. No, like turn around this way so I can see you. So like it could be like a little igloo hut thing going on. Remember when Lito made one last year?
Yeah.
But you look icy, like there's ice all over there. Let's go in the car and warm up.
Now I'm okay.
Yeah, right. Oh, I just slipped.
Alright, everybody, this is the finishing result to my igloo. So as you walk through here, you see this huge hole. Whoa. So as you walk right past it, oof. You'll see my igloo. It's very steep. There, my whole body fits in it. It's huge. This place is huge.
Family, so we are going to be looking for another spot because the other spot was not that steep. As you saw, Ashton really did try to attempt to sled down those slopes a couple times, but it just wasn't that steep. And we couldn't go to our original stop because of the avalanche control. So hopefully we find a place over here.
I think we'll be able to pass through there. Let's see.
I don't know, that car's having a hard time in front of us.
Yeah.
Maybe you should back up. Oi. Be careful. Oi. Okay. It is super snowy and really slippery here. There's like a lot of snow. Even more than at the other place.
Okay. Okay. This car's not moving.
What?
The car's not moving. I think we're stuck.
No way, Alex.
We're stuck.
Let me check out here. Hold on. Let me see what it is. Let's see, maybe there's something. It's not. Oh my gosh, I think it's. Hold on. Oh. It's not like a lot of snow, but there's like a lot of ice. Oh my gosh.
We're stuck?
It's not like a lot of snow, it's like ice. I think you're stuck on the ice. Maybe if you go back a little bit. No way. You can't go back, Alex? Okay, good. Okay, now try to go forward. I think it was just a lot of ice. I think you'll be able to go forward. That was a little bit scary. It's gonna be more slipperier up there. Do you want to go all the way up there?
I think we're just gonna turn around.
Yeah.
It's too much snow.
Me too. Alright, well, we'll just have to go to the other spot next time, I guess. Snow is so pretty. Look at all the snow. It's just too icy to go up any further. No, you're gonna get stuck. You're all in the snow. Alright, family, that was kind of scary. We had somebody kind of help us. We just backed up into the snow. I had to stop recording because he was getting stuck. Anyways, we got out of that. I'm cold because I had to like help direct him, and it's just super icy. Thankfully my husband, he's a good driver.
We gotta go because it's getting darker and it's colder and it's gonna be freezing. It's freezing right now, but it's gonna be...
Yeah, I'm super cold. Okay, all right, we're gonna go home before it gets too crazy. No way. Again?
Okay. Okay, got it.
Okay. Yeah, let's get out of here because it's cold, and that was like the third time. Definitely need to go here when the sun's more up. If the sun's going down,
Yeah, I guess.
we do not want to be stuck here. I don't know if you guys can hear the snow underneath my husband's car. Like the snow is the same height as this car. Hopefully we can get out of here.
Yeah, look over there. It's looking like somebody got stuck there.
I think so. Yeah, there's another car in front of us and they look like they're stuck. Oh, we gotta be careful going over there.
Not to wait. Look at all those people got stuck there.
No way.
Oh man.
Do you think we should help them?
We need to help them.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, so it looks like the car in between got stuck and they we just talked to them. They have shovels, so they're gonna go ahead and do that. We're just gonna wait here, and hopefully we don't get stuck waiting here, but we're gonna wait here until they can get it unstuck. But it is a really, really nice view. But look how high the snow is. Like, you can see how high it is. It's super high, family. All right, family, as you can see, it is getting darker, and we saw them shoveling earlier, so it looked like they got it. The car in front of the car that's in front of us is stuck. They're waiting for somebody to bring us straps, so hopefully we don't get stuck because we're just sitting here. Okay, I have a riddle for you guys. Mike's mom has 3 kids. One kid's name is Penny. The second kid's name is Nickel. What's the name of the 3rd kid? Now let me tell you. I mean, you guys should put it in the comments down below. But let me tell you, I asked him, the smart genius guy, and not even him got it right. Don't spoil it. Don't spoil it. Don't spoil it. Don't spoil it. Shh, don't spoil it. You guys comment down below what you guys are thinking, and I'll tell you in the next video. So remember that riddle. Mike's mom had 3 kids. First kid's name was Penny. Second kid's name was Nickel. So what's the name of the 3rd kid? Okay, you guys? And he got it wrong. Do you think they got it?
They do.
It doesn't look like that anybody's moving though.
Yeah, the little truck's moving back, the white one. The one that was stuck is moving back now.
I can't see it.
Yeah, they're gone. The 2 trucks are gone. So now this one in front of us is next.
Okay, cool.
And we have traffic behind us now.
Yeah, we do. Family, we have like some cars behind us.
Yeah.
So they were waiting, we're waiting. Okay, so we have to go over this part that's kind of icy and full of snow. Just go nice and slow, Alex. Go nice and slow. Yee, oh my goodness. Oh. Good, we got out of that. Like, this is where they got stuck. Oh, you're sliding, Alex. Be careful. Oh, that was a lot of snow. How did they get onto this side? There's a lot of snow there.
Oh, no, this one, right?
Hopefully. Oh, he's going backwards for you. Cool. That way we don't have to stop.
I'm sliding right now. Look, we're brake on. Sliding.
Oh, it's sliding. All right, we did survive this part. Just got to make it to the main roads, and thanks for sticking with us, family. It's like a lot of slippery things. Oh my goodness, Alex, be careful. Oh my goodness. Be careful, Alex. Like, we're slipping. Oh my gosh, it sounds like you can't make it, Alex. Are you serious? This is like the 4th time. Come on. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's really slippery.
We gotta get out of here before we get stuck like them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's
Cars.
maybe go slower.
Yeah, I'm going really slow. But the car is losing traction.
All right, family. So there were some scary moments, and we're still not all the way back to the main road. I'll let you know when we get there. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It is super slippery. Like, our truck's slippery right now.
I hope you got your tissues ready. That will make you dry.
All right, family. I might have to put this down here.
1v1.